Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the controller and console are ready. Check batteries or charge the internal pack, and power on the Xbox so it's discoverable. Once done, plug a USB-C cable into the controller if you plan a wired connection. This immediately pairs and updates firmware. If you're connecting wirelessly to the Xbox, find the console's pairing button now. If using a PC or phone, enable Bluetooth in settings. Make sure nothing else is actively pairing nearby to avoid interference. Now perform the pairing sequence. Press and hold the controller's Xbox button to power it, then press the console's pair button until its light flashes, which signals discovery. The controller's Xbox light will rapidly flash and then stay solid when paired. If you're using Bluetooth on PC or mobile, instead hold the controller's bind button until the light flashes, open Bluetooth settings, and select the controller name. Make sure to allow any permission prompts so the device completes the connection and installs drivers automatically. Finish by verifying the controller is connected. The Xbox light stays solid and inputs respond in the guide or a quick game test. Make sure firmware is current by opening the Xbox Accessories app and applying updates. A wired USB-C connection will force pairing and firmware delivery if wireless fails. If you hit trouble, restart the controller and console or PC, try fresh batteries, and reduce distance or interference. As a key tip, always retry using a cable once. It often resolves stubborn pairing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.